Usambot Miri Ramba Jalapa Preston Tinsang, Letu Bola Bthah Ika Police Headquarter Kumjuru, Shabaro Kia speech of the district Khynra, Iki Kali Kibata Yit Yong, Lani Pyndait siren Niki no Kinu. Haga Jinkran Bikilar Pathai Kubor, Usambot Miri Ramba Lo Ongru, Bahadu Benta Umpat Nit Satya Yiki Kubor, Kiba Priang, Ba Rangba, Bashakem Dangshan Ringkat, Ki Airgun, Ba Utmu, Banyakon election, Bad Ubadanru, Kajingaday, Bad Kihe Hakasorkar.
What why we have to pick up this fellow? It's because of that only. And now I have given the instruction, not only today, but we have given the instruction to the police headquarters as well as to all the SPs to again go all out to see people who illegally use, be it black tinted glasses or be it the siren or be it anything which is not as per the prescribed regulation of the to that statement. I don't know from where did you get that source. I was also trying to ask my colleague, even politician, whether you are close to this man or not, but nobody knows at all. So therefore, don't just again come to a conclusion with that statement made by anybody. I don't know. But what I'm trying to tell you is, no matter what, whether you are close with A or B or C or D who is in power, but you have to go as per the prescribed norms, as per the prescribed rules.